Come closer, don't worry, I won't take much of your time. My name is Li Wei, and I am 80 years old. I have buried friends, seen empires of money rise and fall, and I have learned one truth that young people always ignore. I was born in a small village near the mountains of China. No riches, no special talent. Just rice fields, hard winters, and long days under the sun. When I was young, I was impatient. Very impatient. I wanted success quickly. Respect quickly, money quickly. I remember standing in the fields beside my father, watching him plant bamboo seeds. I laughed at him once. Why plant something that takes years to grow? I asked, why not grow vegetables? They grow fast. My father didn't argue. He just smiled and said, some things grow above the ground first. Some things grow below. I didn't understand him then. Years later, I left the village. I wanted the city life, big buildings, fast money, recognition, and for a short time, I tasted it. I earned well. People respected my position. I walked with pride, but pride is a dangerous friend. When the market crashed, my business collapsed. The people who once called me Brother Lee stopped answering my calls. I lost money. I lost status. I even lost my confidence. I felt ashamed to return to my village, but I had nowhere else to go. When I arrived, my father was older, slower, but still planting bamboo. The field looked empty, just dirt. I asked him, why are you still planting this? It shows nothing for years. He looked at me and said, Li Wei, for the first 5 years, bamboo grows no taller than grass, but underground. It is building roots, strong roots, deep roots. And when it finally grows, it rises faster than anything around it. That day, I felt like the bamboo. My failure was not my end. It was my root-building season. I stayed in the village. I worked quietly. No more chasing quick praise. No more competing for attention. I helped my father. I learned patience. I learned humility. Years passed. The bamboo finally shot up. Tall, strong, impossible to ignore. And so did my life. Not with noise, not with arrogance, but with stability. I rebuilt my business slowly, carefully, with wisdom this time. I stopped trying to impress people. I focused on building strong foundations, relationships, skills, character. There's an old Chinese proverb. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. I am 80 years old now. My hands are wrinkled. My back is bent, but my heart is calm. And if you ask me what matters most, I will tell you this. Do not fear slow progress. Do not fear quiet seasons. If nothing seems to be happening in your life, maybe you are growing roots. Young people today want to rise quickly, but without roots, even a tall tree falls in the first storm. So if you are struggling, if your success is delayed, if the world does not see your effort, be patient. You are not failing. You are strengthening underground. Moral lesson: success built slowly lasts longer. Strong roots create unshakable growth. Trust your quiet season. Follow for more powerful life stories. Like, subscribe, and share. Someone needs this wisdom today.